thought I'd do a video today on the easiest filter to clean, in my opinion, ever. Okay, here we have BIOSMART 36,000 BioSMart. It's a pump fed system, so pump is in the pond down there. The pipes go through the walls, under the ground, and up through the UV and into the filter. So the filter will do about, well, 36,000 litres, but as if it's inside a factory with no sunshine or fish or anything like that. So do be wary when you're buying one. All manufacturers say that they'll do X amount, but literally that's with nothing in it or any lights or anything. So generally speaking, we'd say that maybe an 18,000 litre pond with like hardly any fishing, you know, hardly any lights, stuff like that. So we put this one on this pond. God, he fell over, which is about 1,500 gallons. It's probably about 8,000 litres approximately. It's got a nice little pond, some koi in there. It's cold now. It is about 3 degrees today. Not doing much. Okay, like I said, the easiest filter to clean. I'm not even going to do it one-handed, and the other hand's holding the camera. Okay, so switch off the power, like so. Open the lid. Like so. They just unclip each side. So it is winter, so it's not actually that bad filthy wise, but summer you might just need to do it a couple more times a month or whatever, how often you do it. But yeah, lids are off. Got a few of these handles, 9 altogether, black one in the middle. Got a little waste valve here that you can plumb in, you know, down into the garden or the flower beds. We didn't really have anywhere to do it in here, so we just do it straight into a bucket, and then we put the bucket into the plants, wherever you want it to go. Okay, so the bucket goes underneath the waste valve. Before we open up the waste valve, clean the filter in the filter. So it's quite a nice way of doing it, really. So the filter's effectively a big cleaning tank as well. So each of these handles, just give it a nice small pump. That's done. Now open up the filter, all the waste, sorry, pulls in the bucket, pulls the plants. Okay. And that's that. Okay, so that's all drained out. The filter dust, I'll call it, all the loose bits. To get rid of that, don't really need to use a hose pump. I mean, you could on this top bit really, but you don't really want to put tap water into the filter at all. I know some people like things to be spotless, but these really you don't want them to be spotless. So I normally get a bucket of pond water and then just rinse it all off. All that dirt will go back down to the bottom, and then magic valve again. Here it goes. I think that's one of the main reasons why I like this filter. It makes you clean the filters in the pond water. Some people will get the hose and spray it off. Again, then the chlorine will kill off all the good bacteria and stuff in the filter. So, okay, that's it really. Filter lid's back on. We'll switch on the pump in a sec. Make sure the valve's closed. So it really takes about a minute really, it's pretty quick if you ask me. The more you do this the better really, but not saying to do it every day. If you did it like, you know, once or twice a month I think, especially in the summer, it'll work wonders. Because you want the filter to be dirty, you just don't want it blocked up. If it's blocked up it won't work. Okay. Switch back on, let's have a look. Right, kicking out